The HairFX laser comb is a home-based solution designed to combat hair loss and promote the growth of healthier hair. Through a combination of low red light and green LED light, it targets hair follicles, improves blood circulation, regulates sebum, and boosts nutrient absorption in both men and women. The red light enhances circulation, metabolism, and sebum control, reducing hair loss and enriching hair quality. The green LED calms the scalp, broadens light coverage, and enhances the red laser's impact on shallower follicles. This portable comb, rechargeable via USB, caters to individuals between 18 and 80 years old. Using it 3 times weekly for 10-minute sessions, users should maintain a gentle pace without exerting excessive pressure for effectiveness. Consistent use is crucial for achieving desired results. To charge the comb, users can connect it to a power source using the provided USB cable. Plugging the USB cable into the HairFX laser comb and a power outlet ensures the comb is adequately charged for subsequent use. Press the on/off button to switch on the device, indicated by a purple light. For optimal use, start with clean, dry hair, activate the device, place the comb flat on the scalp, and methodically move from front to back and side to side. Do not press the comb too hard onto the scalp or overtreat a particular part. While combing your hair, move it at a slower pace so to ensure the laser can reach the scalp and reach its maximum effectiveness. After completing the treatment, please turn off the device, recharge the comb or store it properly in a ventilated area. As with any beauty or health product, consulting a healthcare professional or dermatologist is advisable, especially if one has specific concerns or medical conditions related to hair health.